I've been dreaming, friendly faces. I've got so much time to kill. Just
Hi guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my hair care routine, how I wash my hair. The first thing I do is to divide my hair into 4 places because I have a stubborn hair. Then this is the part I lose everything, then comb out the hair. This is how I comb out my hair. I love using this comb because it's used to enter the roots of the hair. See how long my hair is. These are the little hairs that came out from my hair after I finished combing out. Then the next part is to go and wash my hair. The first thing I do is to loosen the braids. Then after losing the braids, I will wet my hair.
Shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright.
Then after that, I'll use the shampoo. I'll use the shampoo to massage my hair and also scrub my hair very, very well. Then after that, I'll rinse my hair with warm water. After drying, I'll use this conditioner, coconut coils. It helps me with the coil, like my hair is coily sometimes. So you can see it's coiling. I'll rub it around my hair, then I'll use waterproof to cover it for 3 minutes. This is my hair after the 3 minutes. It is very soft and easy to make. These are my simple hair care routine. Hope you learned something from them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.